Hey, YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox or unwrap this. I'm not sure what my wife purchased, so we are just going to go along with it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So yeah, let's go ahead and now open this up and see what's inside here. So this is the style. This is the professional styling clip. 6 pieces. It's like a rose gold color. Pretty shiny, yeah. Just hope they last long. And here's another one right here. So this is just a same set. I thought it was a lighter pink, but it's not. And we got 2 of this. 18 pack travel bottles for, I don't know, conditioner, cream, or whatever. Spray bottle. Oh, pretty nice. It's rubberized, so easy to squeeze out your lotion or something like that. Just hopefully they're gonna last long. And this one is taller. It's 2 fluid ounce or 60 milliliter. And this one is $3.90. Look at this funnel. Brush. And 2 of the black and white spray bottle. And 4 pieces of this. Try to scoop up the lotion or something like that. And this is the same, so I'm not gonna open it. This is the thermal roller ceramic. 8 pieces. they got 2 of the big one and then 6 of the smaller one. Or actually, 2 small one, 4 medium size, and then 2 big one. And then check out this one. It's a travel packing cube set. It's 8 sets. There's a hook right here. It's a see-through window. Maybe for your makeup or something like that. Mesh knitting pockets, 2 of them. There's a pocket down here. See-through mesh window right here. It's like a pouch. 1. It's an individual pouch with a zipper. It's a, let's see, you can hook it on. It's a loop right here. Another pouch pocket. It says for your clothes, shorts, pants, long sleeve. It's like a handle right here. It's for the underwear or socks. Another handle right here. See-through window. It's the same one. And this one's a little bit bigger for your vest, pants, or jacket. Got the handle again, same thing. And then that's it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.